stare into my
Hi guys, I am just popping in for a quick reminder. And the reminder is there is a collaboration that I am co-hosting for the month of August. And you know your girl is a Leo. My birthday is in what? 16 days, August the 17th. So guys, this collaboration is a tablescape with the color green, and you know color green is one of my favorite colors. So this is a tablescape. You can use any other color with the color green, but make sure the green is your main color. And the host for this is Merlin at Cozy Lifestyle, and the other co-host is Stephanie, Miss Me, and I am your other co-host, Vondessa J. Yes. So guys, remember this upload is August the 13th at 10 a.m. and I hope to see you here. And if you're new from my home, go ahead and leave it in the description in the comments below that you're going to participate, because the other one's in my community tab, so I decided to make a quick video. So I hope y'all having a fantastic August the 1st. Bye. See you on the 13th.
Well, at first I didn't know, but now it's clear to me. You were cheap with all your freaks and like 'em easily. So back up and look.